Hello, Mr. Handyman. Welcome to my channel. We are going to repair LG LED TV. How to repair backlight, replacing all LED bulb using patch technique, the cost-effective way. Before we start, please hit subscribe button to update you in my next videos. Let us test the unit. There's a backlight but only few are okay. Here is the model of the unit. Okay, let's start to repair the unit. All the LED backlight are almost busted. Only two are okay. Remove all optical lens and set it aside, cause we are going to use it in repairing the backlight. Remove all the circuit board attached to give access to the plastic lock installed in the frame. We need to replace all LED bulb to return to its normal condition. Remove all defective LED bulb in the strip. Clean the strip and make it sure that the surface is flat. And now we are going to use new 6 volts LED bulb beads available online. Cut it uniformly to install it easily. Remove each optical lens of each LED beads. This is not matched with the LG LED backlight configuration. Remove LED beads coating to expose the negative and positive contacts.
expose the positive and negative copper clad of the strip. We use thermal tape as a strip insulator.
Then use silicone sealant as an adhesive to the new LED bulb beads while using the strip as a heat sink. Use jumper wire to connect the new LED bulb beads to the strip. Okay, let's test the backlight without optical lens. As you can see, all LED bulbs are okay, but no optical lens, and we are going to use its original optical lens to return the LED backlight configuration. We are going to use again silicone sealant as adhesive for the original optical lens. And take note, we are going to align the position of each LED optical lens to the center position as shown. And let it dry for 1 hour. Guys, the unit is repaired in a cost-effective way and return the unit to its normal condition.
For more videos to come, please subscribe and leave your message and comments and suggestions below. Thanks for watching.